Welcome, and follow me to Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, simply open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me is just gonna be, for instance, the second page of apps. And once you have it visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key, volume down, gives you this animation, and you're basically done. The screenshots have been captured. Now sometimes there's also a toggle like right here for a screenshot, so you can also tap on that and from notifications, and it does exactly the same thing. Now both of those images can be found in your photo gallery, so right here, the gallery app, just allow, and you can go into albums, and you should see a screenshot album with the two photos in there, as you can see. So that is how you would capture a screenshot on this device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.